Hey everybody, Joe Cioffi here. Weather in a minute, Tuesday, the 7th of October. We've got a cold front that is approaching, but it's still far enough to the west that I think much of today is going to be no worse than partly sunny. There are some clouds rolling up through the central Appalachians that might pass through at some point during the day, but the main area is going to come through for tonight into tomorrow morning where we will see some showers and thunderstorms, and maybe with a little luck, we'll get half to three-quarters of an inch of rain. Maybe somebody winds up with about an inch. It is certainly much needed rainfall across the Northeast and the Mid-Atlantic states. Meanwhile, not a whole lot is happening yet off the southeast U.S. coast, and I don't expect much to happen here until late this week when low pressure is going to develop. And since we have this satellite view up, we might as well show you that a tropical wave out in the tropical Atlantic is becoming better organized, and I suspect that this will be either a tropical depression or a tropical storm later today. And one other note in the tropics is out in the west, where we have Hurricane Priscilla, which is spreading uh, clouds and rain into the Baja Peninsula of California. And eventually, a lot of that moisture is going to wind up getting into the southeastern part of the U.S. So some things are happening. The radars are busy this morning. You can see there's actually a fair amount of rain and even some thunderstorms back across parts of western New York, western Pennsylvania, down through West Virginia, and even further south down into Tennessee. The main front is to the northwest of that, where we've got some showers and storms in southern Michigan down into northern Illinois. So all of this is going to translate to the east. Now, as we go through the rest of this week, a few things that are going to be going on. First off, obviously, we're going to get some rain tonight into tomorrow morning. Then that goes by, and a very chilly dome of high pressure will come in. This is going to be the coolest air of the season so far, and it may lead to perhaps the first frosts in interior areas of New York State and in central New England come Thursday night into Friday morning. So, weather conditions will start to improve during the day on Wednesday. We should be dry going into Saturday, and then we're going to watch low pressure developing off the southeast coast of the U.S. This is going to try to move northward and spread rain northward up the coast. A lot depends on how this low forms and what it does. Obviously, there may be a hurricane out to the east of Bermuda that might have some impact on the ultimate track of this, but it does seem at least we're going to get into some rain and wind here over the Columbus Day holiday weekend. More on this tonight on the Joe and Joe Weather Show podcast at 7:35 p.m.